first New West clients in Upper Greenwich, and we wanted to show you that we're at the exciting stage of cabinet installation. What's special about designing your kitchen with New West is we give our clients the opportunity to select the appliances of their choice, and then we custom build your cabinetry around your appliance selections that gives it that truly seamless integrated look. It's all in the details, from the soft close cabinets to the full height uppers, and eventually the matching panels that's really going to elevate this space. At New West, true luxury means flexibility and customization without